The Lyon hypothesis, founded by Mary Lyon, suggests that a Barr body is an inactive chromosome. So, how did they figure out what a Barr body was? Barr bodies were first observed in the nuclei of female cats. They presented as dark stains that looked different than the rest of the nuclei. Lyon's hypothesis explained that these spots were actually an inactivated X chromosome. So, as a human female, I have 2 chromosomes. One of mine is causing a Barr body right now because it's not active, and the other one is. If I were to have 4 X chromosomes, 3 would make a Barr body, and this one would be active. However, there is no way to determine which one is actually active. It's like throwing these 2 imaginary X chromosomes into a hat, shaking it up, pulling one out to be active and one out to be inactive. It will result in a nuclei looking something like this. There is your Barr body, inactive, while the orange X chromosome would be what you would actually see active in the gene. So the tortoiseshell cat results from a female having both alleles for the color gene. Basically, both the variations of the genes are present. X inactivation would not have split up the colors in this case. The cat, always a female because she has to have 2 X's to have one of each color, would be heterozygous at the coat color locus. So, if you were to mix a yellow short-haired female with a black male heterozygous for long hair gene, you'd end up with a quarter tortoiseshell with long hair, a quarter tortoiseshell with short hair, a quarter yellow with long hair, and a quarter yellow with short hair. Obviously, the tortoiseshell would be female and the yellow-haired would be males. There is my beautiful, lovely diagram showing this. Also, a clone tortoiseshell cat would not have the same coloring as its mother. The mother would have to be homozygous at the color locus, either yellow or black. Since the offspring is heterozygous at the same locus, both color genes are present. So, the mix of color had to come from somewhere. The mother, since she was a solid color, only had 1.